Today we're upgrading the center control screen on the 2010 to 2015 Hyundai iX35. This is its original central control. Take a look. First, we'll remove its top cover plate. Next, unscrew the two screws above the original screen. Then remove its original double flash button panel. Unscrew the screws below the original screen. Remove the original screen. Disconnect all the plugs on its back. Disassembly is complete. It looks like this. Now let's start connecting the new unit's wiring. This is the foresaw antenna. For actual installation, route the wire to the pillar. This is the GPS antenna. Also route this to the pillar for installation. This is the USB transmission cable. Route it to the glove box for installation. This is the video input cable. This is the SIM card slot to CA audio cable. The SIM card slot cable also needs to be routed to the glove box. This is the original car USB port on the new power supply. After plugging in, the original car's USB port can be used. Connect the new power supply's red and white plugs with the two CA lines AUX input plugs by color. Then connect this black screen power plug. Here, connect the original car's radio plug. Connect the added camera's video output with the video input plug just connected. Then connect its ACC red wire with the new power supply's reverse detection wire. Now let's install the matching cover plate for the new unit. Here, we remove the original car's double flash button. Separate the double flash button's cover plate and main body. Then install the matching new double flash cover plate. Similarly, install the safety belt reminder button. Attach both buttons to the new unit. Plug in the original plugs. After plugging in, connect the original cars to power plugs. After all connections, install the new unit. Since this is the first installation, we need to learn the steering wheel buttons before using. Afterwards, you can use the buttons to control screen volume and switch functions. Additionally, it has many functions. Supports reverse camera. Supports local music. Also allows downloading online music apps. You can adjust the sound tone to your preference. Can automatically search for local radio stations. Supports local videos. Also allows downloading online video apps. Supports local maps. Also allows downloading other map apps, such as Waze, Google Maps. Supports Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music. Supports wireless CarPlay. Android Auto. Here you can make calls, listen to songs, use online maps, and other smartphone applications. That's it for this video. There are more vehicle videos on the homepage. Feel free to watch.